So, what's new in the world of library science? Well, today we're researching the researchers.
Let's start with this number, 884. That's how many recent studies from the Arab world we're looking at. And get this, they generated a massive number of keywords, giving us a peek into what's on everyone's mind. What's really fascinating is the focus. Turns out, technology and databases totally dominate the conversation. So here's our game plan. We'll go from the big picture to some real-world examples and what's next. First up, how do you even get this bird's eye view of thousands of research papers?
It's basically using data to study the data itself, to see what topics are hot.
So with all this new tech, how do you actually know if a library is doing a good job? It's tricky, right? Since they're nonprofits, but a new data-driven model might have the answer. It's called Data Envelopment Analysis, or DEA, and it's a really powerful tool for this. You measure what goes in, like budget, and what comes out, like loans. Then you get one clear score. Simple. Okay, that's the theory, but let's see how these ideas actually play out on the ground. I mean, just look at the massive scale of these Arabic databases. We're talking thousands of journals here. And it's not just about the tech. The way people work is changing too, with things like freelance platforms. This is a global conversation, for sure, but the research shows it's being discussed more in foreign literature.
But this progress isn't happening everywhere. Some regions are still facing really fundamental challenges. And you can't forget the people behind it all. Pioneers like Professor Hasna Maghoob are really pushing things forward.
So what's the big takeaway? Where's all of this headed? Let's connect the dots. So yeah, it's a field in transition, embracing data, new ways of working, and tackling real-world problems. Which leaves us with one big question. As tech takes over, what's the future role of the human librarian?